Hey, crypto miner, if you actually miss coin like NOTCOIN and different airdrop have made a lot of people millionaire. So I'm going to show you another airdrop that might cook very well. So underlined that might cook very well. So I'm actually talking about this particular airdrop which is called PixelTap. So by Pizza World. Like for you to actually gain access to this particular coin, you are going to first thing you have to do is to come to Google Play Store. So it's very, very important, very, very important. Come to Google Play Store. Then you are going to install Telegram account. Then, like, let's assume that you have installed Telegram account. Make sure you register with your Gmail or any means of identification. So you are going to register. So the next thing you have to do is to actually click on the link I'm going to drop inside the video description. So you are going to land on this page. It's going to tell you, hey, Zenith, like it's going to tell you, hey, welcome to Pizza World mini game where you click battle and earn reward. So those are the things you have to watch out when you are want to, because there are a lot of scam link over there. So but this is the official one that is going to land you on the official page for Pizza Tap official page. So you are going to click on launch this particular app. So you are going to launch the bot and start earning with Pizza Tap. So as you can see, I already accumulated like a 3 million Pizza Tap points. So every day you actually log into this platform, you are going to claim the farming you are actually be farming. So I'm going to click on claim it to actually claim it on a daily basis. So for you to actually earn on this platform, there are a lot of things, there are a lot of tasks you have to do. So one of them is to actually come to this reward option. So on a daily basis, whenever you log into this particular crypto mining app, you are going to click on this daily reward. So each time you actually log in, as you can see, day one, I actually have to claim this 10,000 points. So I'm going to click on claim, and this point is going to be added to my balance. If you go back to balance, as you can see, it has increased. So I'm actually going to be claiming all these things. So the next thing you have to do is to also come to reward also. So you have to click on this daily combo. So you have to click on daily combo. So daily combo is going to be dropping every single day. You are going to click it like 3 or 4 times. So you are going to click on all this daily combo. I'm going to be dropping the daily combo on a daily basis. So you have to ensure you subscribe. So because this own has not been dropped yet. So as soon as it's dropped, I'm going to go on board and record the screen to show you the daily combo of this particular airdrop. So it is not been dropped yet, so I'm going to go back. So another way you can actually earn with this particular airdrop is actually completing tasks. So those are the tasks that is available for you to actually complete. So as you can see, the first thing you have to do is to join the Telegram group, and you are going to earn a point. You are going to set up a dashboard. You are going to earn a point. When you join their X or Twitter page, you are going to earn a point. When you join the Telegram channel, you are earning a point. So those are the things that is available right now. So I think they have other tasks, which is me joining their Telegram. So I'm going to click on it. So let's see. As you can see, join our Telegram chat 21. So I'm going to get 10,000 points for this tax. So I'm going to click on start, and it's going to give actually take me to the Telegram chat. So I'm going to click on join to show you it is very, very easy. So I think unable to join because there are too many members. So I can't earn this point because there are too many members on the group. So I'm going to go back and click off. So let's see another one we can actually do. So you can actually like and retweet them on X, and we are going to get like 60,000 points. Let's do that quickly. So I'm going to click on it, go to start, like I'm going to go to X to actually like. So they said we should like. I'm going to like. Okay, sorry. So click off. Then you are going to click on the favorites, like so the first thing is to follow them. I've already followed them. So then click on like, then retreat. So I'm going to retreat. So when you retreat, that we have done the task. Let's go back to the group. Let's go back to the app. So then we are going to click on. It said we should attach it. Oh, okay. We have to make a screenshot. So I'm going back again to make a screenshot. So let's go back. Then I'm going back. Then retreat. Okay, I can actually get it from my page, like my profile. So this is the tax. So I'm going to actually screenshot it, then come over to the app, then actually upload it to actually claim this my point. So I'm going to actually upload this screenshot. So upload, then submit. So after they verify that I've done this task, I'm going to be credited with the 60,000 points. So, and the advantage of you actually joining on this this particular opportunity is the fact that this particular airdrop might be other alternative to NOTCOIN. If you actually miss NOTCOIN, you miss all those airdrop that actually pay people a lot of money. So this is a great opportunity for you to actually jump on right now and start earning. So as you can see, I've already uploaded this task, so they are going to confirm it anytime soon. So let's go back to actually show you other ways you can actually earn on this platform. So the other one is to actually come to this fight button, so you can actually fight. So let's assume that this is my bot, so you can actually fight to earn points. So you can actually fight with this one and earn points on this platform. But I don't really like the fact that I have to start fighting. So because it actually requires a lot of effort, and I have a lot of crypto that I'm mining, so I actually prefer daily combo and actually logging in on a daily basis. So let's assume I'm going to go back, so you can actually figure it out on yourself. But the one I'm actually interested in is, okay, I'm going to launch again. So I'm going to launch again, then claim the point that has been added to me. So the one that actually we're going to make you more money is to actually invite. So you can copy your link and share it with your friend, your family, so that whenever they join, you are going to be getting like 2,000 points each for each of this person that you invite. And if you invite premium member that actually have premium Telegram account, you are going to get 10,000. And whenever any task they do on this platform, you are going to be getting like 5% of their profit. So you have to jump on this particular opportunity, because this might be the another NOTCOIN that people will actually cash out big time. So ensure you join this opportunity and start like playing the game. You actually pleasing yourself to the opportunity, so that whenever this particular airdrop is being launched to the market, you are actually going to cash out big time. So I hope you actually enjoyed this video. If you do, kindly subscribe, because I will try much as possible to be dropping the daily combo for this particular airdrop. So you have to ensure you subscribe, so that you can be able to see some of the daily combo and be able to enter it to make more money with this airdrop. Thanks. I will see you in my next video.